What's up, everyone? Time Suppression here, and sorry it's been a little while. I actually got married and went on my honeymoon. But let's jump right into the video. So, you remember when I told you about these handguards, and I said that I liked them, and I was gonna roll with them. That was before I bent the out of one, because I dropped my bike a bunch. So, I got some replacements. I got some of the Tusk Handguards from Rocky Mountain ETVMC. I'm going to install those and see how well they work for me. I think they're going to be a bit better than those. At the time, I liked that they were kind of super adjustable, but I've come to learn that that is not really the best thing, because they like to flex, and flexing leads to bending, and bending leads to them being useless because they're not actually protecting anything anymore. So let's go ahead and I'm going to throw the new ones on. So one of the things I like to do when I'm working on my bike is actually use my tools for my bike. One super nice thing about this is you start to realize stuff that you use a lot and stuff that you don't use. A big advantage to that is if you don't use it, get rid of it, save the weight. If you do use it, obviously it's kind of important. Alright, now that that's off, I can try to put the new ones on. So these came with 3 parts. Got the clamps for the handlebars, you got the actual handguard bars, and then you've got the plastics to go over them. So let's start with this side and see if I can figure out how to get it on there without reading instructions. So one thing I'm already digging about this versus the other ones is everything is the same exact Allen key size. The other one had 2 different sizes, which kind of made it a big pain in the ass. If you wanted to adjust stuff, you had to pull 2 different ones out. This is all the same size, which is super duper nice. Also, honestly, this just feels much higher quality. It feels a lot sturdier. Everything's thicker. I think these are going to work out a lot nicer. So one thing I am noticing, so I've got my controls shifted forward a little bit for standing up, and it definitely doesn't quite line up how I like with the handlebars like this, or the controls like this. Yeah, I mean this feels a million times sturdier than the last one. Definitely a nice addition. I'm gonna add the other one on, and then I'll show you what the final result is. So, see you in a sec. Alright, so I got them on, and they feel way sturdier. Even the plastic feels way sturdier than the trackside ones that I had on there. So I'm actually excited to get out with these and check them out. Pro tip though, these screws to get the plastic on, start with this one and work outward. I started with the end one on this one, and well, I stripped out the original screw, so I had to pop a different one in there. And also, like, this hole just won't correctly line up, and you may cross thread the threads in there and hook them up. So definitely do it from the outside, or do it from the inside out, not the outside in. But yeah, these are super duper sturdy. I'm actually really digging on these. So I know I said that about the last ones, but we'll see how well these handle after I drop the bike a few more times, because inevitably that's gonna happen. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video on the Tusk Handguards that I just installed on the DRZ. And if you're interested in checking them out for yourself, link in the description below. Be sure to hit that like button, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I release new videos. Got some more DRZ content coming up, as well as some reviews for some of the stuff that I use regularly with my bikes, including the Garmin Zumo XT. See a lot of people asking questions about those lately, so I wanted to throw a review video together on that, so keep an eye out for that. But that's it for now, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.